Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Self-reflection questions are a powerful tool for medical practitioners to facilitate deeper conversation with their clients. These questions encourage introspection, allowing individuals to explore their thoughts, feelings, behaviors, and experiences in a structured way. As a practitioner, you may find self-reflection questions useful in understanding your client's perspectives and responses to certain situations or treatments. For example, asking questions like, how did this experience make you feel? Or what were your initial thoughts when you received your diagnosis? Can offer valuable insights into your client's emotional and mental states. These questions can also help clients articulate their goals and expectations from the treatment or therapy process. Queries such as, what changes do you hope to see in your life? Or what are your fears about the treatment can guide you in tailoring your approach to meet your client's unique needs. To use our free self-reflections question template, follow these steps. Download our self-reflection questions from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The first step in using self-reflection questions is to select the right questions. Choosing questions that align with your client's particular situation, experiences, or challenges is important. Next, ensure you create a comfortable and non-judgmental environment for your client. This will encourage them to open up and answer the questions honestly and thoughtfully. Remember, the goal is to promote introspection, not interrogation. Present the questions to your client one at a time. Allow them enough time to reflect on each question thoroughly. It's about more than how quickly they can answer the questions, but the depth and authenticity of their responses. After your client answers a question, encourage an open discussion about their response. This can lead to further insights and understanding. However, ensure you maintain a supportive and empathetic stance throughout the conversation. Documenting the responses is a crucial part of this process. This record can be a reference point for future sessions, helping track progress and change. Reflect on the responses with your clients and use the insights gained to plan further steps in their treatment or therapy. This could include setting new goals, modifying therapeutic strategies, or addressing specific issues raised during the session. Here is a sample of our self-reflection template, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our self-reflection template, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.